स्टार्ट। अच्छा अच्छा। My dear students, good morning. I have one complaint against you. You know why? I have given you my mobile number in one of the lecture, but I have seen no one student asked any problem regarding this. So, as you know, my opinion and my heart feeling. So I hope that consult your problem if you have any problem. The lesson which have been taught to you, right? You know my mobile number. Perhaps you don't know. You may consult 7887012033. This is my mobile number, and perhaps you know my name because you belong to my school. As well as I hope that other students are also taking benefit. After after describing state of rest, state of motion, physical quantity, that is, physical quantity means scalar quantity, vector quantity, and distance and displacement. I am going to tell you about speed and velocity. Speed and velocity. First of all, see speed. You know, when you drive your bike or when a driver drive his car, that is speed is 40 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour, that is he is going with speed of 40 kilometer per hour, 60 kilometer per hour and others. So what is speed? Speed is the rate of change of distance. The rate of change of distance. Change of distance is called speed. That is the magnitude of distance magnitude of distance traveled by an object in 1 second, that is unit time, is called its speed, right? The rate of change of distance is called speed, or that is the magnitude of distance traveled by an object in 1 second is called its speed. Speed equal to distance upon time. Speed is a scalar quantity. Why? Why is it a scalar quantity? Because it has only magnitude. Because it has only magnitude. And its SI unit, you know, that is SI unit or unit of any physical quantity is obtained from its formula, that is distance by time. You know, SI unit of distance is meter and SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of speed is meter per second. Third point, it is always positive type of speed, but I am not going to tell you type. One thing more here, say speed may be following type: uniform speed, that is constant speed. Second, non-uniform speed. That is variable speed. And third, instantaneous speed. And fourth one, average speed. Uniform speed, when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Non-uniform speed, when a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, or when an object moves with variable speed, different speed, right? Third thing, instantaneous speed. The speed of a moving body at a particular moment. Speed of a moving body at a particular moment is called its instantaneous speed. Speedometer of a car or your bike tells you instantaneous speed, right? And fourth one, average speed. Average speed is calculated when a body moves with non-uniform speed. When a body moves with non-uniform speed, average speed is calculated, right? And average speed equal to total distance traveled upon time taken. During journey. That is average speed S equal to d by t. Now next thing, see the velocity. Velocity. Actually, velocity is the special case of speed. Just as displacement is the special case of distance, velocity is the special case of speed. See here, velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. Displacement is called velocity. That is magnitude of, that is the displacement covered by a moving body in unit time. 1 second is called its velocity. It is a vector quantity and its SI unit is meter per second. It may be positive, 0 or negative. Velocity equal to displacement upon time. Velocity may be classified in following groups. Uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity is also called as variable velocity. Instantaneous velocity, and fourth one, and uniform velocity is also called as constant velocity. Constant velocity. And fourth one, average velocity. Uniform velocity, when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. That is, equal displacement in equal interval of time. When a body covers equal displacement in equal interval of time, its velocity is called uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity, when a moving body covers unequal displacements in equal interval of time, its velocity is called non-uniform velocity. Instantaneous velocity, velocity of a moving body at a particular moment. Velocity of a moving body at a particular moment is called instantaneous velocity. Average velocity, when a body is, that is, when a body is moving with non-uniform velocity, its average velocity is calculated. That is, average velocity equal to total displacement upon total time. Right? So these are about speed and velocity. Now take some questions as homework. Question 1. Define speed and write its SI unit. Question 2. Define velocity and write its SI unit. Question number 3. Write three differences between speed and velocity. Question number 4. Define uniform speed and uniform velocity. Question 5. Define average speed and average velocity.